All right, diving in today, folks. We're looking at something pretty important for anyone working around machinery, machine safety training. So we've been combing through PowerSafe Automation's website, checking out their training programs, and all the resources that they've got there.
Yeah.
We really want to, pull out the nuggets of knowledge here that can help, safety professionals,
Right.
project engineers,
Absolutely.
functional safety engineers, really anyone who's trying to make their work environment safer, no matter
Yep.
how much experience they have.
Absolutely. It's really about going, I think, a level deeper than just the basics and understanding what it takes to elevate a whole
Yeah.
team's awareness and, really get them to that expert level when it comes to safety.
Right.
And PowerSafe Automation, they really hit on the fact that, training is a cornerstone of mitigating hazards.
Yeah.
And then that leads to a reduction in risk and liability.
Right.
One of the things that they really focus on that I think is fascinating is that they really push for engineered safety solutions
Yeah.
as that primary means of protection.
Okay, let's unpack that a little bit. Why engineered solutions? They say that relying on administrative controls alone,
Yeah.
signs, periodic reminders, those kinds of things, they have weaknesses, right? I mean,
They do.
think about it. Workplace distractions,
Yeah.
language barriers, employee turnover. You just have different levels of
Yeah.
mechanical understanding. And all these things can make those administrative controls less effective.
Absolutely.
An engineered guard, though, you got a physical barrier.
Exactly. Yeah. And if you connect that back to the bigger picture of functional safety, then, you're talking about
Right.
the reliability of those engineered safety controls becoming so important
Yeah, you need to know they're going to work
Oh,
every
yeah.
single time.
every time.
Yeah.
And they also touch on, the difference in safety standards, what shall be met versus
Right.
what should be considered and understanding those.
Yeah, that could be a legal issue, right?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Huge implications there. And they really push for, working with an experienced provider
Yes.
like themselves.
So you can really get down into the nitty-gritty of all this.
Yeah.
They've got training in a few different formats. Looks like they have
Yeah.
online training,
Yeah.
on-site training. They can come to your facility.
Yeah, exactly.
Plus, they partner with TUV certified
Oh, wow.
safety specialists
Yeah.
and guarding experts for their advanced training.
Yeah. So, you really get,
Yeah, so it's legit.
high level training there.
What's in those advanced sessions?
Well, they're going really in depth on things like comprehensive risk assessments,
Okay.
which would include like navigating the regulations, advanced control reliability, so making sure that those safety functions are going to work
Right.
dependably, even if there is a fault.
Oh, interesting.
And also robot safety standards.
Wow. That's a lot of great stuff. It's not all theory, though, is it? I mean,
True.
I saw something on their website about a gotcha stick demonstration. What is that all about?
Yeah, that's a really cool way to demonstrate OSHA's requirements for
Right.
guard openings.
Oh, cool.
And it's a tangible example of how the right training can help employers avoid OSHA citations.
Right. Save them some money and some headaches.
Yeah, exactly.
That brings up a good point. This isn't just for, the safety veterans who've been doing this for 30 years.
Exactly.
Right.
Yeah.
PowerSafe Automation even mentions that it doesn't matter if you're just starting out
Yeah.
or if you've got years of experience.
I did.
If you're involved in safety at all, whether it's, safety professional, project engineer, functional safety,
Right.
these programs can help you.
Yep. So if anyone's listening and wondering, where do I go to find out more? Well, good news. They've got a very thorough FAQ on their website that addresses all the common questions.
Okay, so you can get your questions answered there. They've also got safety blogs, right?
Yes, absolutely. They've got safety blogs.
For like the latest and greatest.
Yeah, those are really where they're offering their perspective on machine guarding solutions and turnkey safety solutions, all that.
Oh, cool.
And if you want to reach out to them directly, they're located at 129 N Main Scene,
Okay.
Wolcottville, Indiana, 46795. Phone number is 844-520-7233.
All right, and I'm sure they're on social media too, right?
Oh, yeah, you can find them on Facebook
Facebook, LinkedIn, all that.
and LinkedIn.
Okay, great. So to quickly recap everything we've talked about today, the importance of machine safety training, right?
Yeah.
Really understanding all this stuff.
Yes.
Expert-led programs.
Absolutely.
That are covering everything from risk assessment to robot safety. They've got that practical focus on things like OSHA compliance.
Yeah.
And then all those resources for continued learning, right?
Exactly.
So you can really stay up to speed.
Keep learning. Keep growing.
Keep learning. It makes you think, right?
It does.
But all this emphasis on moving toward those engineered safety measures, what's going on in your facility, what machines, what processes could really benefit from a deeper understanding of these principles. Something to think about.
Absolutely.
All right, that's all the time we have today. Thanks for listening.
Thanks, everyone.